If you think you know everything about technical writing, well, that's about to change.
You will hear things here that you wouldn't hear anywhere else.
This is my third time, so mostly because I have new questions that I can ask in this conference, and I've got a huge collection of those little soapies.
I mean, I've been coming here since the first one.
Soap stand out because even if you are a developer, there is a place for you.
Obviously, I love the conference.
Every year I come, I understand more from the sessions because I figure out that my knowledge is growing.
Oftentimes I take these YouTube talks or material from the talks and I actually use them in my classroom. So this is actually, I'm finding material for the rest of the year.
Come for the talks and stay for the people. The one thing that makes soap stand out. I would say that it's a
Kiedyś jak byłem mały, to byłem bandersnaczem.